Are you tired of not making money online? Then this video is for you. Getting traffic can be a struggle. Paid ads, expensive funnels, sales letters that overpromise, apps that don't deliver. The list goes on. What if I was to show you a simple but effective way to generate all the traffic you need using one simple trick? They say that timing is everything. And today, I will introduce to you a major technological change that is taking the world by storm. And the best thing, it generates free traffic, as much as you'll ever need. Curious? Then let's get down to business. But before we do, a little bit of background. This method is not about TikTok, but I will use them to illustrate how this works. Of course, you've heard of the social media giant TikTok and their wild success. Users can upload short videos, which get shared, liked, and commented on. This generates massive traffic, millions of views in some cases. Well, guess what? Their success has not gone unnoticed. And this has resulted in some big players eyeing up the short video marketplace. So here's what's happening. YouTube has decided to enter the short video space. Enter Video Shorts, YouTube's brand new experience for their 2 billion monthly users. Users can now upload short videos to their channel. Now here's the thing. When large companies like YouTube and its owner, Google, enter a new market, they cannot afford to do it half-heartedly. After all, the world is watching. So to make sure that they compete effectively with the likes of TikTok, YouTube is sending massive amounts of traffic to these videos. Shorts are now receiving thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of views, all because YouTube has to make sure its new service is successful. Introducing Shortify. Shortify is a brand new software that creates short videos, especially for YouTube. It includes a specialist video creator. Shortify will find the latest trending content and will create video shorts for you. These will then be pushed up YouTube's algorithm. Remember, they want them to be seen. In-depth training, case studies, secret methods to use existing YouTube videos and convert them to shorts, resulting in massive traffic. Everything else you need to start profiting from YouTube Shorts today. This is a time-limited offer. Shortify is a monthly subscription service, but for the duration of this launch, we are offering it for a low, one-time fee. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. It's impossible to tell how long YouTube will send crazy traffic to their new short service. Most money is made at the start of any new technology, and they don't come by very often. So don't hesitate. Get in now. Click the Buy Now button below, and we'll see you on the inside.